This is hard work. Why are we pulling coal trucks anyway? No good to us. Nearly at the top. Oh, finally. I thought we'd never make it.
Come on, let's push them down the hill. Joyful and triumphant.
Oh no! Stop! Stop! Oh no! Brake, Harry, brake! I can't! The rail's rushed over! What? No! Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, bother these icy rails. And those silly trucks.
Right on time, as always. Oh, hello, Ryan. Enjoying the weather?
Oh, hello, James. Not really. I don't actually like snow.
That's rather fantastic, isn't it? Everyone says my paintwork looks splendid against the snow.
Splendid indeed. Add a touch of white and you'd look like a candy cane. How festive.
Ha! If you'll excuse me, I have to get ready for my next train.
Hi, Ryan. What are you doing here?
Well, Harry and Bert got in an accident, so I was asked to.
Ah, Thomas, Ryan, just the engines I was looking for. Harry and Bert have had an accident, so I need you to finish delivering coal to stations along the main line. There's a storm coming tonight, so they can't go without it. Yes, sir.
A storm?
James will be waiting for you at the end of the line. All three of you will then need to collect some postcards from the mainland. They're filled with presents for Christmas, so they need to be delivered tonight. Right away, sir.
But what about the storm?
Oh, don't worry. The storm shouldn't be too bad. Just be careful, and don't forget your snowplows. Good luck! No time to lose then. Let's go, Ryan.